In this program, we are going to understand how to convert a given number into the number of months. Like the user is going to enter the input as the total number of days, and those days will be converted into the number of months, respectively, whatever the number of days will be left to complete that particular month. So here, what we are doing is we are asking the user to enter a number using the input command, and we are converting it to into integer and storing the value into this variable, that is days. And now what we have to do is, we know that let's say 1 month has 30 days, so we divide that particular number which is given by the user by 30. So using this we'll get the number of months, and after that whatever the remainder is there, like from this you will get the quotient, and from this is the modulo operator, this will give you the remainder. So whatever the remainder will be left out, that will be the number of days which are extra, like after completing the number of months. So with the print statement after the end, we are printing that months is equals to, this is the message, and this is the value. So whatever the value is there in this variable, that is being printed, and we are using another int function, integer function for that. And along with this, whatever the number of days which are remaining, this is the message, and along with this we are displaying the value. So once you run it up over here on the idle, so click on the run module, and let's say we give 30, so the number of days are 30, and it says like 1 month. Likewise, if you run it one more time and you give some other value, let's say we give 90, so press enter, and it says like it's 3 months. Likewise, if you want some sparing days, so run module, let's say we are saying 196 days, press enter, and it says like it's 6 months and 16 days.